Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today, this is another nature video. As you can see, taking the dog out for a little walk right here. It's my pet dog. He's just chilling right there. It's Merlin talking in the background. Let's go over here, Roy. Come on. You need to go over here, you dog. No, Roy, you got your foot stuck in there. You gotta fix that. Grab his leg, grab the leash. That's okay. Now he's fixed. Let's give him some more. Okay, there we go. We give him some more. He's just going over there to the neighbors. So I'm gonna have to pull him back. If he goes to the neighbors, he can't be over there. It's good to see over here. What's he doing? So we've got some puppers, got some dog stuff. He's doing his ordinary dog stuff. He's doing his ordinary dog stuff, guys. So, he's just going to. What's he doing? Okay, what's he gonna do now? What are you doing? Ruby, come on, dude. What are you doing? You're not doing anything. Leash cam. Leash cam. Never mind. You can see this is a leash. There he is, the dog. I think this would look better, guys. So, oh my god, no, show the neighbors. Okay, what's he doing? Really, what are you doing? Really, stand up. Come on, you have to do your bit. Oh, never mind. Okay, Roy, what are you doing now? Well, nobody wants to see that, Roy. Well, you're getting back home. Come on, Roy. Okay, we gotta. Oh my god, guys! Okay, Roy, come on. Hey, Roy, come on. We're going back to the house. Come on, Roy. Okay, you're not being that responsive. You're being like 3% drag. Now you're being 0% drag. Now you're running. You're 0%. Okay. He's pooping. No, he's peeing. He's marking his territory. Let's go, guys. This is the end of the video. Bye. Whoa. Bye.